Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a beautiful green goddess smoothie. If you want to be regular and have a lovely gut, this is what you should try to have every day. And I'm going to be using my Vitamix, which I can't live without. But if you haven't got a Vitamix, I'm sure you've probably got a nice powerful blender. And you can use that. So all you need to do is, I put a little water in the base of my blender and I'm adding half a green apple, 1/2 peeled beautiful Caribbean green lime, 1 medium chunk of carrot, and I'm adding a handful of baby spinach leaves. Get them all in there, and some chunks of ice. Now we want the lid on tightly and we're going to fire it up. So we'll start with the power, best if I turn it off. And it's mixing slowly, so we're really going to crank it up. Right. Now you can add as much or as little water as you want, but obviously it's best to add some water because you want to have it as a drink, and it's also lovely to add ice because you want it to have lovely, a lovely chilled taste. This tastes delicious. The lime just ties it all in together. And now all you need to do is decant it into a glass and enjoy. Lovely and thick. And I promise you you will be as regular as you've never been. And it will give your skin a gorgeous glow. So, do try it. I do recommend it. To your health. Cheers, and see you next time. Good.